So here's my 2021 MT07. I've done quite a few upgrades on it, so if you need some inspiration, you can check the description down below. I will list all of the upgrades down there. But some of the biggest upgrades are the Puig new generation touring windscreen, the hypernaked mirrors, the SW motech tank back and tank ring. For the tank back and for the windscreen, I've made a separate review. So if you want to check that out, it's on my account. What else? I've got a Barracuda tail tidy, a radiator cover, a Quadlock, some protection here and there. I've got the Shin spark blinkers on there, a little Gopro mount, and a side rack system where you can put the bars in. Right now I've got just the adapters on there, so it's real stealthy. In my opinion, it looks really sharp and it's very practical, so it's the perfect motorcycle for me.